Tabs in Microsoft Word are considered part of paragraph formatting and are used to help ensure your text remains adequately aligned. To format a document with tab stops, first click on the Pilcrow icon and the Home tab. Once you've clicked on the Pilcrow icon, you'll see that each space is represented by a dot, each Pilcrow is a new paragraph, and each arrow represents a tab. In order to format a document with tab stops, you'll need to access the ruler. To view the ruler, click on the View tab, and then click on the Ruler checkbox. You'll see that the ruler will appear. In this instance, we want to separate the buyer information from the invoice details. So first, select the information that you want to align. Then click on the ruler where you want to place your tab stop. As you can see, the tab stop has been added to the ruler and everything after the tab is aligned to it. Here you'll notice that the alignment hasn't quite gone to plan. If you can think back to what I mentioned earlier, the arrows represent a tab space. So as we can see, in the first and third line, 2 tab spaces have been placed, whereas the centre line has only had 1 tab space. In order to correct the alignment, you can simply add in an extra tab space, then remove the Pilcrow icon, and you'll see now that your document has been formatted.